Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TVGH so what friend me Adjoa searching.
Bomo and render apology. Adia ebetino. One N.Addo. Ama employment biara was sorry. I did N.Addo atem. Wako butuni setus atoho nipa mu nyina emwa nyina afra and N.Addo danko akufate. Why? National Cathedral. Meanwhile, you see a Christian yet na woman. Oh, National Maths and Science Quiz. Schools are able. St. James, Presbyteria, Precept Legon, St. Augustine's, St. Wine. Yeah, come hospitals are a year. Juma boy on minor. Now what to check hospital. St. Augustine's Hospital, Holy Trinity Hospital, Holy Angel. All these things are the imprint of Christianity in our land. Na President Bia Betnasi Ashwenara ever since Christianity by your maimu at the buyer or see it is time yan ye bibi kesi na yan fan so manyame na yanumbi ye to me a boycott exams sorry akọ church say ye ko bompa first na ye gia di say anyame no obekọ akọ ye miracles na wo ko print wo certificate na A1 so kwa na egu ho presidency yan ye bibi kese na fa sum nyame we ya gina di ya ye didi natem fake pastors led the way. We insulted him, we sabotaged the project, we did everything possible to make sure that that project did not. Onye government official one ni 8 years awa betina. Onye government official one. Yan setting no international platforms see investigating the corruption. Sana abesi. Na obi bekasa. Duncan Williams. You have the audacity. O ba bonting. Ebe kese. Jamayan fa catlas say ye chesi ya ho. Na ya chucha ya ho. Na ya ancestors abesi saying na kogu eyimu na last barrier na Ghana no a collapse inti na ebia eyane say like we are joking. He has betrayed us. He has misled us. Inti adia ebe yane fepane say at this point shut the fuck up. Manuasi.
Me say sa astofo na ede yense kogu dwon mahama so no me ka kire o 98.9% of them alafa. Womo ye asofo charge and pay, asofo kobo, asofo medomewu, asofo mamede mi nkodie, asofo me de mefu enenam. Adentia. 1. Naye mi fie, Christo fie, amami ura, aye Christo ni. Nama toto de meboa. Obema ufia ye Christo fie. One of the biggest ambitions of every true Christian is to build a house of worship for God that they believe in. Isn't it so? It is so. We are about to build the church of God and the people of God. When you give to build the house of God, God bless you in abundance. We shall build the house of God and we shall have this. And secretary, can you tell us how much we have in account? And you know, Maracuda and God, rah. Yeah, just got the sidine. Amen. And no for us soon in the India. See, can I be home? See, can I be home? See, can I be home? Tell your support. You see, when you give big, you know, and the God of heaven will open the sky and you hold your money up to the sky and God bless you and you eat and hey, hallelujah. Hey, 2,000. Not quite I'm penny. What could you now? Within the 2,000. Omo my 50 million nyina ha na ofui okwaje yi ante atemu ya wo ton kra unkotu ya neka ya bo 50 million kwasia wa boduku ekotam sika na udidi dwa no e de akoma no udin 50 million. So we are kind of like, and the God, he gave from the heart and the heart and the heart. I'm not joking. I'm so passionate and very, very serious about this pastor's journey. Kume. So for me, kumini ye who's a umpire boy, Juma, Wabompire, Mamewu, Obetrebo. What's aqua see us off for Obetreboana? Yeah, make Tramo Yensro. Anya she cry, who yan sure Mumegu assassin, so you're free handed, and Sabia the Ara one a beba and Crawford feeing life will still move on. When Ajina Sari and Duncan Williams are extorting money, when Apostle Wingham and the rest are collecting money from their church members, give the hope in the floor, give in a band. Oh, yeah, my brother, give. Young Kosi, I saw the Yamea, a year gun and N.Addo, a free one casa junimuno. Yes, say, there be finances, no, and yen control. Nempo, ye Kosi cathedral, ya. Me parents do me, one ever rent the Akoye show. Me, yes, can you home, Sadia, ma resign. Not that give what means, ma resign. And it's funny enough, all that so for no more criminal past now, the ones that they made them the overseers of the cathedral. They spoke against building the church of God. They went against building the church of God. They still preach with Solomon. And as Solomon will see a sorry that man yame. And as Solomon see a sorry that man yame. Obi be see a sorry that man yame. Young fan is an N.Addo or no one jumupu na no person with this die. A dine will qua or body akwebu akwa. John Mahamed still circle interchange. Oko bolibam boy. Obuboko e. Ni circle wa. I didn't know my actually weak, sir. Why do we allow ourselves to be toyed with like this as Christians? Why? Brakofi, how on earth do you tell me, say, we are software, but you will go against building of a church, all in the name, say, money has been misappropriated. When you